On today's menu, a recipe that will tune up your kitchen skills. Vegan tuna burger.
Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. You're gonna love this recipe. It is easy and delicious. This is my version of a breaded fish burger.
Preheat your oven to 375. 1.5 cups canned chickpeas. 1 tablespoon white sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon fresh dill. 1 tablespoon crushed pepper. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon tahini. Generous squeeze of fresh lime juice. Mash.
Once you smash the chickpeas to a certain point, it starts almost flaking like tuna. And the tahini just really helps that bind.
Line a plate with all-purpose flour.
Just going to roll this into a patty and dust it in the flour.
Medium heat. Frying pan. 3/4 cup panko. Drizzle of olive oil. Gently stir and cook until the panko is golden brown. Spread your panko on a plate.
Now just wet your hands with some water.
When the flour is wet, it'll become sticky enough for the panko to stick. Place the patties on a baking tray. Into the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. A few minutes before serving, toast your buns on a frying pan for a few minutes. Buns, patty, lettuce.
This is an incredible hot sauce I made in the previous episode.
You can now make this delicious vegan tuna burger with absolute confidence.
With a side of amazing French fries, these are absolutely incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.